So if you're on holidays and you have fixed braces, either metallic ones or ceramic ones, sometimes a wire gets loose or too long or starts irritating and you're not able to visit our clinic. Here's some tips how to fix it at home. If the wire is too long and it's poking your cheek, you can use a nail clipper to cut up the ends. There's little fixed metal ligature wires that can bend a little bit and start to irritate your cheek or your lips. You can use the rubber of the new pencil to bend that back so it's not irritating your lip anymore. Sometimes in the back, the two tubes, the wire comes loose out of one tube. Get a regular tweezer that you use for your eyebrows or whatever to put it back in. So if something comes loose when you're on holiday, don't panic, just call the clinic and ask us for advice.